Hello everyone, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Planner Kate order from September 9th. That was like a week ago. She launched her November kits and I just love sharing with you guys what I pick up. And as you know, Planner Kate's like my all-time favorite sticker store ever. And so yeah, let's jump in. The first kit is kit 259. It is the kit that I chose for my month view as well. It is called To the Orchard. So I did pick up sheet 1 for my Erin Condren planner and sheet 2. I'm not currently using my Erin Condren planner, but I was afraid that I'm going to end up moving back to it and not have the kit. So I went ahead and picked that up. And then I did order for my plum paper as well in that same kit 259. And the weekly kit as well. So for this kit, I got the sampler page, my very favorite, the ombre full box page, the full boxes, the washi, as far as stickers go, as well as the actual washi rolls. I have been collecting them and I love them, and I'm so excited that she's making washi. And I did have someone ask, if I get this sheet, how do I use this as well? Typically, what I end up doing is using one of the thick strips from here in my weekly planner, and then if I have to mark off some timed events that span throughout the day, I would use the actual washi roll. And I have also been using the thicker washi on my dashboard pages, because as of right now, Kate just offers the monthly dashboard in the Erin Condren colors and not to correspond with a kit. So I've been using my washi and other stickers to kind of make that match my month view. I did pick up kit 260, which is called So Thankful. So obviously as the So Thankful sticker, I will probably be using this kit for the week of Thanksgiving, and I got those same 4 sheets, so the sampler and the full boxes, the ombres and the full boxes and the washi. And then this washi is special because it has a gold foiling on it. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera very well, but it does have a very pretty gold foiling on it. And then kit 261, which is called Hello November. This is one of my all-time favorite kits. She's offered it for maybe 4 years now, 3 or 4 years. I call it the Rainbow Trees, and of course she revamps it a little bit each year. This is my favorite washi from this one with the leaves. I think it's perfect for November here in Illinois. The full boxes and the washi, and this is really pretty too. And then the washi rolls for this kit are the Rainbow Trees, and then this is really cool. It has the words repeated that you see here on this thin washi: pumpkins, thankful, autumn, harvest, traditions. So that's really fun too. And then I made a mistake. The last kit that I ordered for the month of November was kit 263, which is called Sweater Weather, can't talk. And I forgot to order the sampler. So of course I went and put that in my cart, so it'll be here in plenty of time for November, I'm sure. But as of right now, all I have are the ombre full boxes, the full boxes, and the washi stickers, as well as the washi rolls. And then the other thing that I added to this order that were not part of her release on September 9th were these USB drives, thumb drives, jump drives, whatever you want to call them. I use these a lot and I was out of them. It's sheet S578 if you want to pick them up in the store. But I had to replenish my stash of those. And then, surprisingly, I did not have the striped washi stickers S438, so I picked those up in case I have a rainbow week coming up. But those are the kits. And I will show you one other thing. I only order enough kits for my weeks, so I don't want to have just extra kits laying around or be spending the extra money on kits I'm not going to use. On the 9th, the other kit was kit 262, which I did not pick up, which was called Pumpkin Picking, and you can kind of get an idea for what that kit would look like based on the washi. I do pick up the washi even though I don't get the kit, just because I want to have every single washi roll. I'm sort of collecting them all. I don't want to miss one. So that will give you an idea of what the kit would look like. 262 Pumpkin Picking. If you guys have any questions about Planner Kate or any of the stickers or how the releases work, all of the dates for the monthly kits and the weekly kits are up on the Planner Kate Facebook page. And if you go to the announcements section at the top, at the pinned post, there are images, and you click on the image that says 2020 kit numbers, and then in the comments, I post, as soon as I know from Kate, what the numbers and the kit names are going to be, and that just makes shopping in the store just a little bit easier. As always, thank you for watching, and happy planning!